Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to share your screen during WhatsApp video call. So let's open WhatsApp application and you want to open the chat with the person or group that you want to call. And now let's tap video call in the top right corner of the screen. So let's call. And when connected, you have to tap three-dot button in the bottom side of the screen and then tap option share screen. Then you want to select share one app or share entire screen. I will go to share entire screen, and let's confirm that I really want to broadcast. And then swipe away from WhatsApp and open any application or photo that you want to share, and everything will be visible on your phone screen, and this will be broadcasted to participants in your call. So that's how it works. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.